Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera because the camera's down there. But, yeah. But, today I'm going to be doing the blindfold slime challenge. So I'm just going to use my hat to cover up my face. And, yeah, so I have a container. Okay, so I have a container. I have glue. I'm doing blindfold slime challenge.
Well, be careful that you don't get it everywhere.
I know. Sorry. There's some slime that leaked. It's actually from my cupcake slime video, which is getting uploaded right now, which I just made. And I wanted to do a blindfold slime challenge. Yeah. Well, technically I'm making cupcake slime and jiggly slime, but this one doesn't smell as good as this one. This one, well, it doesn't actually smell super duper good, but it smells okay. So yeah, I'm just going to put. I actually, sorry, I'm gonna remove my camera. I have a container. I have a mixing tool. I have glue. I have activator. Whoa, there's a mess right there. Oh yeah, from what happened to this jiggly slime. I actually added way too much. I'm scared about the baby oil part, but I'm just gonna open it because it's gonna be hard to open. Okay, there. Now let's get started. So, okay, so I can't see, right? Yeah, I can't see. Where's my glue? Here. This is my container. Michelle, Mom called you.
What?
Mom called you.
Oh my gosh, they're reading books. They're reading books, Cassandra.
Yeah? Oh no, Michelle's called. In a few minutes. Oh, my leg. Sorry about that. Okay, restart. Everything's back in its space. Okay. Where's my... What am I doing? Okay, here's my glue. Container. I swear I can't see. How do I open this? Does it open? Is this opened yet?
Ow. I just hurt my shin.
No. Okay, I'm just gonna use it from the cap. There's my container. Oh, it's on my hand. That's good. I think. I don't know. Where's the cap? Dang it, I should have brought a towel for that. Okay. I'm scared about the activator part. Okay. Oh, found it. Okay. Did any even get in there? Yeah, I think so. Where's my... There's no hair on it, right? Okay. I can't see anything, I promise. Okay. What is this? It's on my hand.
Uh-oh.
What's going on? Wait, that was shaving cream, right? Yeah. Actually, sorry, I'm not gonna use this activator.
Oh, what? Does that say Taeyoung Kim?
Okay. I added in a lot. Okay. I spilled some. Here. Forgot I had this under there. Okay. Back, I'm not gonna use.
Journalist Taeyoung Kim.
What?
Look at it.
Sorry.
That says journalist Taeyoung Kim.
Who's
Kim Taeyoung. Taeyoung Kim. Kim Taeyoung. Oh my gosh.
Ugh. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, I'm gonna mix everything up again. That's fine. Okay. Soap. Ugh. Washed them all the way. There we go. This is good. I don't want to add a lot. It's good. What? Ugh. Come on, Natalia.
What?
Come on, Caitlin, help us.
I'm coming.
Is he here?
Louie's here.
Hi, Layla. I got you.
Natalia, can you run her out? Thank you. Louie's here. Okay, sorry about that. Where did my hat go? There. Okay. I think one more squirt is good. Where's it at?
Ava,
Yeah?
what did you say?
I asked Natalia if she could take Layla out. I'm doing a blindfolded slime challenge. Okay.
Yeah, I was going to walk in here and ask you if you realized that the hat was covering your eyes.
Yeah. Oh. Is this good? Now it's time for the contact lens solution. Where's it at? Right here, right? Oh, it just flew in my face. Wait a second. I need more shaving cream. I just realized that now. And also there was something in my eye. Oh, there's something in my eye. Okay, good. So. I guess I'm making fluffy slime. Is it even going in the bowl? Now contact lens solution. Where's it at? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna deal with it. Wait. I think it's already turning into slime. And I promise I can't see. Is this coming out? Oh. Too sticky. What?
There's mosquitoes out. There's bug spray.
We have to
you were home, I forget he said that he'll call you. So I don't know what.
Okay. Where's my shaving cream? Is this shaving cream? Yeah, I think so. Is it getting in the bowl? I feel like it's not. I don't want shaving cream on my carpet. Oh. Okay, the slime is complete. I thought. Yeah, that's as much as the slime is complete. Okay, it's not good. It's not the best, but it seems cool. I feel like I added too much baking soda, so we're gonna do another round. Or not baking soda.
My worst nightmare is here, Ava.
What?
Mosquitoes. I'm kidding. My worst nightmare is BTS breaking up and clowns.
This is what the slime turned out to be. It was supposed to be orange because I added orange soap. This is what the slime turned out to be in Blindfolded Slime Challenge. So I'm actually going to try and fix this. Too sticky. And I just realized that I have nothing to put this in, so I'll be getting... I think we're just going to make, actually I don't know what slime I'm going to make in the next 2 rounds. Yeah, I think there's going to be 2 more rounds. I don't know. And maybe I'll do a part 2 that actually will have 4 rounds, but I'll have to get more glue. I'm probably going to do part 2 like in December when I get a gallon of glue, my own containers, and borax. And then also Christmas gifts. Sticky, sticky. Ooh, I want to make bubblegum slime next. Okay, I just figured out the next round. Bubblegum slime. And this one, actually...
I will kill you if you touch that thing. No, like, for real.
Next one, I think I'm just going to... because I have to use contact lens solution and baking soda for the next one. For the bubblegum slime. So I'm kind of scared that I'll add too much baking soda. But... oh, it's not sticky anymore. I'm probably just going to put this in a bag. Hey, can you go get me one of small bags? Never mind, she can't hear me. Okay, that's a good slime. It's actually really good. Okay, I'm going to go get a few bags for next round. I'm going to get bags for the next round. Back and I got bags. Because I don't have any more containers left to use, so. Oh. Oh yeah, and I got some shaving cream on my carpet. Now I'm scared to put this. What? Did Caitlin leave yet? Natalia. Natalia. Natalia! Did Caitlin leave yet? I don't think so. I don't know. I thought I just heard her voice. I'm not putting sticky slime in a bag. So I'm trying to Make sure that this isn't. What? What? Okay. So I just have small bags because I'm not going to be making. Big sense. I think I might only have one more round because of the amount of glue I have left. I don't know. So, let's get started. I might just do a small slime this round. So this round is bubblegum slime. Let me get everything out that I have to do. So I have to use that, this, and just a little bit of this, because then if I add too much it won't activate right. Oh, I'm scared. Let's get on. Actually, I can't add a lot of this, so I only have like a little bit in here. So let's get started. Okay, I can't see. Ow, my ear. Container. Mixing too. Okay. That's as much glue I'm gonna do. No, that's not the right thing. Oh, okay. Just add this. And right, I think some came out. Too much. Sorry, this ruined slime. Like a lot. Shower gel ruined slime. So much it ruins it. Sorry, I had to take my blindfold off. Because I didn't want this to get ruined. Because bubblegum slime is like my favorite. Other than cake batter slimes. Okay. What's this? Okay, that's baby oil. Container. Okay. Oh. Okay. Sorry. Something went on my hand. I think I might, like, I can't really, like, breathe well, so I'm holding this so I can actually breathe. Better. I can actually breathe now. Okay, I can't see. Yeah, I can't see. Okay. Oh, oops. Now, no, that's glue. Oh, here we go. One more squirt. Okay. There we go. What do I add next? What's this? That was water. Wait, yeah, that was... No, because this glue is over here, right? But, wait. I feel like... Let me smell this. Yeah, this one definitely has glue in it. Oops. I think I just... Oh. What do I add next? Is this contact lens glue? No, that's water. I think this is baking soda. There we go. Just there. Oh, that's not the container. Glue.
He took her.
Who? Who? Bongsoon?
What?
Did he take Bongsoon?
And she lost her powers.
No. Okay. Contact lens solution. Where's that at? This? No. That's water. Here we go. Found it. Oh, wait. Was that in? Oh, no, that was not. Okay. Is it activating? Was that a lot? Just got on my... I feel like I need more baking soda. Do you guys know where the baking soda's at?
He has your girlfriend.
Found it. How many pinches? That was in the bowl. Okay, yes, that was.
Check the ding dong ding stairs.
You're being loud. Be quiet. What was that? I feel like more baking soda. There. Squirt. Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, let's see the finished slime. Wow, I made a mess. But finished bubblegum slime does not feel like my normal bubblegum slime. Doesn't feel like how I normally make bubblegum slime. Maybe I should make a video on that. Do you guys want a $50 slime supplies challenge? Okay, well, there's hair. Okay, so
Check the roof. Check. She's on the roof.
okay, last slime challenge.
He put a bomb on her.
A bomb.
He tied her up and put a bomb on her
Oh
and
my
knocked her
God.
out.
Come on, dude. Find your freaking
Your girlfriend's
girlfriend.
about to be... No, frick. No.
What?
No, don't tell me that.
Your girlfriend's about to be murdered. Okay, let's do the last round, which I think is just gonna be glossy slime. I don't know. I'll just add all my ingredients. All of them. Let's go.
Hurry up and wake up on soon.
I need to be able to breathe. Okay. 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 Now I can see. Is this the right glue? Okay. This should be the right glue. I think. I don't know. Wait, there's nothing in here. Okay. Then this is the right glue. Oh my god. There's like baking soda in my eye. Okay, we're gonna have to deal with it. Okay.
This is so scary.
It's coming out, right? Is it coming out? Y'all tell me if it's coming out. Okay. I'm going to open this up and put water in it. There. It's not. That's good. Okay, sorry that I keep opening off my mask. It's just there's baking soda in my eye, and it really hurts. And I can't get it out because I have slime all over my fingers. Okay. Okay, now I can. Wait.
Hurry up.
Are you crying? I hear sniffle. Sniffle, sniffles. There, milk is out. Bye. Did I just... Oh, I thought I hit her. Okay. Trying to breathe. Okay. I guess we're adding some of this in. I feel like there's too much. I already feel like there's... Ah! I spilled water! Okay. Wait. Okay. Is this? What color is this? What? Okay, I found
Oh
one.
my gosh.
Is that...
His hands are bloody.
Okay. This one. There, that's enough. Oh, dang it, I got it on my table. Okay, just go in there. Okay. You don't have to clean it up bad. What color is it? Smells like cupcakes. Smells really good. What do I add in next? What can I find? Here. Scared that I just added too much. This is going to be called the, whatever color it turns out to be slime. Well, I already added that in. I don't need to add that. Okay. Oh, I just don't think it is. I don't want this. What's gonna add? Okay. I think this is baking soda. Oh, dang it, I got it out. Okay. Is Bong Soon dead? What? The guy's dead? Who's dead? Did someone die?
What?
Did someone die?
The bad guy knocked out Bong Soon, took her up to the rooftop, tied her something, put a time bomb on her, and then now he's trying to save her, but her boss, well, her boyfriend boss, but now he's been like trying to open the door and like take the chains off of the doorknob because he still can't get in, but now his hands are bloody. And Bong Soon's like screaming and crying.
Okay, that's scary. Oh, there's baking soda in my eye. Oh, can you see it? Oh, it hurts. Oh, was that in the bowl? No. No, it was not. I feel like that was in the bowl.
Do hurry up, get there. Untie the chains.
Gukdu.
And help them.
Gukdu's a stupid name. Because I think that was the bad guy. Was Gukdu the bad guy? That should be good. Is it slime? No. Why? Oh.
What's going on?
What? What? No, what's wrong? Hmm. This is what I hate. Ow, I can't see. Ow. Well, I'm not supposed to see. Okay, now I can't see. I meant to say I can't see.
She got her powers back. She got her powers back.
This is what I have to deal with. I'm actually going to put it into it. Here. All my baking soda is going to be in there, so I don't have to keep reaching in the box. Okay. Back. Okay. This is baking soda, right? Oh, it just inhaled up my nose. Activator? Oh.
That's stupid.
Gakdo.
Stupid. Stupid jerk.
Is this good? Oh, no. Okay. No? Okay. Is it activating?
You're using the eraser to mix it, you know.
I am?
Mm-hmm.
I am?
Mm-hmm.
This is colored pencil. Does it have a eraser? No.
Oh my gosh.
What? Okay. Wait. Tank it. I'm touching it. Why am I touching it? Okay, let's see the final results. Oh, it's actually pretty big. Pretty nice. So, I had 2 rounds? 3 rounds. And, yeah. If you guys should really go watch my, cupcake slime video. Because I actually made 2 slimes. I feel like I added too much baking soda, but whatever. I was having trouble activating this last one. And I added all my ingredients. Water, glue, soap, baby oil, shaving cream, shower gel, which I am, yeah. Gotta put everything back now. I put this in the bag. And now, once again, I'm out of glue. Unless I try to make a mom. This, like, won't matter if it doesn't work because I'm just using... This is most likely not going to work because of how little glue there's in here. I might actually have to add a little bit. And I actually did spill my water during the video, so now I have a little bit left. I spilled it over there. This is just a fun slime to see if it will actually work. It's most likely not gonna, but you know, it's fun to try. Where the heck did the other glue go? Oh yeah, I threw it over there. Whatever. I'm going to add the very little shaving cream that I have. Mix that around. Add half a squirt, not even half, a quarter squirt. I'm not even going to add any maybe. Just going to add that in. Add in a pinch of soda, baking soda I mean. I'm not going to add soda. And like the UK, I think they call like baking soda bicarbonate of soda. And they have everything that we have here except for like borax, I think. I don't think they have borax at all. Whoa, this is jiggly sticky. This is sticky jiggly. And it's also very tiny. You know, if I had a small container, I would add this in. Maybe I could add it to a different slime, because like this is way too sticky. I want to get this hat off my head. It's getting me hot. Oh my gosh, Natalia! Oh my gosh! You know, it's going to save everybody if I keep that hat on. There. The hair has been tamed. It's a really jiggly slime. So I'm going to add it in with my big jiggly slime. Won't I? Oh my gosh. It's good slime. And I'm also going to add in that. The slime is like, even if you leave it for like a, stop farting! Even if you leave it for like a few minutes, it gets bubbles on the top. It's kind of hard though. So definitely like, don't add as much shower gel as I did. If you actually watched the video, then you would know what the heck happened. It was like really bad. It was so funny. What?
I was about to read Lexi text, but then that died, so now I can't save it, so now I don't know what she said.
You're about to what?
Read Lexi text. Can you help me grab me my charger?
I don't see it.
It's in there.
You. I'm making a video.
She's a jerkwad.
I'm not a jerkwad. You a butthead. I'm about to get in the shower. Bye. Love you.